Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking about Crucial. Crucial is an online-based application. It helps you to scan your computer and find hardwares and suggest you from online the exact components you can directly buy with prices for you to purchase. If you want to upgrade your system, Crucial is the best way to do it because it suggests you, it shows you even the limits of your motherboard of manufacture, the limits that your manufacturer made for you. Here I scanned my computer. It's Acer R7571G. You can see the memories. It's very good. I can directly see prices of RAM if I want to purchase. If I want to upgrade, maybe for the future, I will record those information in my PC so that I can recall it later. Here you can see prices. You can see how much is installed in my computer. I have 8 GB 44. You can see the storage. I have also some storage suggested and prices. You can see this is the best application you can have to find component hardware for your PC. Thanks for watching.